So we're here for another REVUP ride review. This is our second episode. We have my handsome husband, Brandon, and then I'm Brittany, and then we have awesome Larry.
Larry Golston here.
Yes. And you own?
I own the 2020 Supra.
And it's beautiful. I still think it's
beautiful.
I think you're still more beautiful than the car. Supra though. But it is beautiful. Actually, I was sitting in it and I felt like I was like at a spa, minus like the massage chairs. But it's pretty comfortable.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's fun to drive.
Love the new wheels.
And the new wheels are great.
Yeah, beautiful.
It took a long time to get those, but it was worth the wait.
Oh yeah.
You're like one of the only people that has those wheels though, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're totally custom.
Yeah.
Well,
unique, just like you.
Exactly, that's fitting.
Yeah, it's just like REVUP.
Yeah, exactly, right?
Yep, exactly.
What's your favorite flavor of REVUP? Do you
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, perfect, because that's the color of your car. We brought strawberry.
It must be a red thing. I don't know.
Be a red thing.
Every car I've ever had has been red.
Been red?
Yeah.
Well, we want to pair it today with a Strawberry Pina Colada, but I think we're going to change the name for your car. Let's call it a Supra Pina Colada.
Ooh, I like that.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, it's got a nice little ring to it.
Have you tried a Strawberry Pina Colada yet?
Mm-mm.
Okay, we'll
get you taken care of.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, well now looking at the beautiful car, let's get into it, guys.
It came stock with the BMW engine. The transmission is not a BMW transmission, but it's what they use, and it's the same transmissions that's used in Porsche, Ferraris, and so forth.
Oh wow.
So, and it is an 8-speed automatic. You can make it manual. You have paddles.
No way. I didn't realize that. Okay.
Yeah. And it is so super fast of changing gears. It's not humanly possible to change them that fast manually. That's how fast it is.
Oh wow.
It goes pop, done.
Under the hood, you did that stuff too, right?
I did a little bit under the hood. I did some braces from the strut towers to the radiator support. Oh, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
So I added those and just a little bit of cosmetic stuff like the oil cap where you fill the oil.
Gas cap.
Is and the gas cap.
That's awesome.
And the other two caps are coming. They're in a Golden Wrench supplier, and he has a Supra as well. and he's part of our Super Sessions Facebook group.
Okay. So after we learned a little bit about your car, we want you to try the Strawberry Pina Colada. So what do you think?
Yeah, if you like it, we'll change it to the Super Pina Colada.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I love that. That's good. That's great.
That's one of our staples.
I all of my rev ups at home, I do 3 pumps.
Okay.
3 pumps and ice and strawberry. This is good.
Yeah, like that? We'll have to get you hooked up with those flavors.
Pairs perfectly with the car.
Yeah. We're going to rename it.
It is the right color, that's for sure.
Yeah. We're going to rename it to the, what was it,
The
Supra?
Supra Pina Colada.
Yes. So you were telling me earlier, some of the stuff on your car is custom, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit.
Yeah.
The wheels are custom.
Right. And the gas cap,
The gas cap.
which is super awesome.
And how much horsepower you got this thing up to?
It's about up to 400 now. But they're some of the people have done enough mods that they've got it up to 600, 800.
Wow.
But then you got to reinforce the transmission.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we're going to go get it.
Go
Let's
rev
go.
up.
Let's go on a really fast drive.
Let's go rev up.
Yeah, let's do it. Thanks for watching another episode of REVUP Ride Reviews. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like that blue thumbs up thingy down below, and turn on your notifications. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.